Okay, just before I get the wheel off the ground, I'm just going to loosen these nuts. Tighten them. Right, now I can take the wheel up under these. This is a 19mm socket. Just here, this bolt wants to come out, and then this caliper will lift up that way. Just a button bolt. Right, this one's 14mm. Take the bolt out. Caliper should just lift up like that. Piston needs to move back slightly. I haven't got a special tool for pushing it back, so I'm just going to use a clamp. Put the old brake pad in. Just push it back as far as it'll go. Before I put the new pads in, just going to give it a little bit of clean. Quick clean with a bit of brake cleaner. Right, this is the controversial bit. Some people say you shouldn't put any kind of grease on your brake pads, but this grease came with brake pads, so it's a PTF silicone grease. So I'm just putting a little bit on the back, not much. And also just a touch on these sliders. This one with the wear indicator, what goes on the outside. Just ease it in like that. Okay, so I'm not really qualified to say what it should. But I'm just I've listened to quite a few of the arguments, and right, once that's on, just make sure you've not got any grease on this, make sure you've not got any on the inside of the pads. Push this down, this part here pushes in. If you've pushed it back enough, that should just slide in like that. Make sure that's pushed on properly. Sometimes they've got screws to hold them on, this one for some reason hasn't. So just make sure it's seated. Put a bit of copper grease or something like this. Is a all-purpose, multi-purpose grease, but copper grease or something like that, just to make sure that it's easy to get out next time you need to do. So just torque this up. I'm torquing this up to about 20 Newton meters. That's it. So the wheel can go back on now. Just nip them up first whilst the wheel's off. You don't need to, don't try and do it whilst the wheel's off the ground. Right, that's nearly it done, but just don't forget, whatever you do, to pump your brakes, because once you've put new ones in, you'll need pumping. Right, you'll see, you'll go to the floor. Right, that's it now, okay?